Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing today? How are you all doing? Hope you're all well. Yeah, this is King Domi from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. In case you're new, kindly subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. And I will be so much grateful, guys. Yeah, I'm just strolling. I'm just taking a walk, guys. I'm just stretching my legs, and it is always good to do exercise. It is healthy. So guys, in case you're new, kindly subscribe to my channel. This is Kingdom from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. I'll be so much grateful, guys. Subscribe to my channel, guys. You can see this road is so dusty, guys. It's so dusty, man. Yeah, it's so dusty. Subscribe to my channel. This is Kingdom from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Subscribe, guys. And also, in case you're returning to my channel, you're most welcome to Kingdom's channel from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. I'll be so much grateful, because actually my target is my target is 1,000 subscribers, guys, and of course, and also more. Yeah, I'll be so much grateful, guys. Kindly subscribe to Kingdom's channel. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, today is such a beautiful day today. Yeah, and you can see it's quite cloudy. It seems it's gonna rain, guys. Yeah, but otherwise, it's good to be always happy and also thank God for the rain. Have to thank God for the rain, man. Oh, yeah, that is it, man. I have to stretch my legs because it's been quite long and it's not good to stay home the whole day. It's good to walk. Yep. It's good to walk, man. It's good to walk. Guys, subscribe. Please subscribe to Kingdom's channel from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, and I will be so much grateful, and also happy for your support. I'll be so much happy, guys. Well, yeah, you can see I'm moving. I'm on the way. I am moving. You can have a look now. I'm just on my way, man, stretching my legs, guys. Yeah, once again I repeat, in case you're new, kindly subscribe to my channel. This is King Domi from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. I'll be so much grateful. And also, in case you're a returnee, you're most welcome to my channel. You're most welcome, and I will be so much grateful, you know. So much grateful, guys. Subscribe, guys, to King Domi's channel. Guys, you see, yeah, that place, that is where students gather to stay. I mean, for prayers. Actually, that's why they fellowship from. You know, most of the times. Yeah, it's such a nice place, by the way, and kind of a nice place to relax. You know, but they normally fellowship from there. Yeah, they normally fellowship from there. You know, after classes, they come and fellowship from there. You know. Yeah, it's good to pray to God, you know. It's good to dedicate yourself to God, guys.
I will live to testify the glory.
It's very important to dedicate yourself to God. Even I personally, I love God so much, and I have faith in Him. Because where actually He has brought me, I'm so much thankful and so grateful to Him, actually. You know, if not for His help, guys, I would not be here. I would not be here. I would not be here speaking to you guys today. Because it was all because of God. It was all because of God. God saved me, you know. And I thank Him. And He's always there for me, guys. So you have a billion reasons to glorify God for what He has done in your life. So I encourage all of each one and every one of you, always praise to God. Dedicate yourself to God, because He's a miracle worker. Yeah, sorry for that noise, guys. Yeah, that is a machine slashing. It's slashing the compound. It's slashing the compound. Oh my God, there's some song I love so much. You know, it's a gospel song. It's a gospel song, and whenever I sing it, oh my God, I feel so touched and so blessed. When His presence goes, His glory comes down. When His presence goes high, His glory comes. We lift Him higher, higher. When His presence goes high, His glory comes down. When His presence goes high, His glory comes down. When His presence goes high, His glory comes down. When His presence goes high, His glory comes. We lift Him higher, higher. When His presence goes high, His glory comes down when His presence go out. His glory comes, we lift Him higher, higher. When His presence go out, His glory comes down. When His presence go out, His glory comes down. We lift Him higher, higher. When His presence go out, His glory comes down. When His presence go out. We lift Him higher. Yeah, so guys, can you subscribe to Kingdom channel, you know. Subscribe, and I will be so much grateful. I will be so much grateful, guys. When His presence go out, His glory comes down. Subscribe, guys, to Kingdom channel from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. And as you subscribe, may God bless you. May God bless you as you subscribe. We lift Him higher when His presence go out. Wow, I've now sat somewhere, guys, you know, after stretching my legs. You know, it's been quite a long walk, you know. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, comment, guys. Subscribe to Kingdom's channel from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, and I will be so much grateful, guys. Yeah, and also those who are returning, you're most welcome to my channel. You're most welcome. Thank you so much for returning. May God bless you. Yeah, I want you all to know that, you know, when you subscribe to Kingdom's channel, you know, you are supporting a child in an orphanage, you know. Yeah, because actually, I personally, when I grew up with the heart of giving, you know, heart of giving you know, to the needy, heart of giving to the children living in orphanages, you know, because it all started in Nairobi, you know. Actually, it started in Uganda. I started this in Uganda, actually. Yeah, so I'll be so much grateful, you know. I'm looking up at so many subscribers. Can you subscribe to Kingdom's channel, guys? Subscribe. I'll be so much grateful, you know. And God bless you as you subscribe. Kingdom from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. God bless you all.